Winston Churchill called it his black dog. I always say, oh, I got the cloud of me at the moment. I've been in fireman for 29 years, and it's been fantastic. But about 18 months ago, I went to an incident, and it was a 5-year-old boy been thrown around in the back of a car on a head-on collision. And it really hit home with me. The brigade were fantastic with post-traumatic stress counselling. But then we had an incident with a 3-year-old boy in a flat fire, and he had 30% burns, and that just pushed me over the edge then. That was the October, I think. Christmas time come and went. I was probably drinking a bit too much, and I turned to food for comfort, I suppose. I was getting fantastic support from the fire brigade, but I wanted to attack it myself as well. And any stress, any depression, any mental issues, it's health and fitness, mind and body. And that's when I stumbled across Browd. I didn't have the motivation to train on my own. I joined a couple of gyms, paid monthly subscriptions, never ever went, couldn't get motivated. But I saw the free trial and I thought, oh wow, let's give it a go. It's not just a personal fitness trainer or a training group or a CrossFit club, it is a complete lifestyle. You always think, oh, you know, you're not going to fit in and you don't know anyone. Right from turning up from that first trial a Saturday morning down Barry Island, pitch black in the winter in January, I just knew it was for me. It was great. It was banter, there was like-minded people, there was no egos. It just made it so easy to train. With the training, the health and fitness and nutrition, the therapy, you know, the wonderful support, you know, I'm 100% back on my feet and feeling fantastic.